everybody, it's Lynn. I have a small Temu haul to share with you. It's not very big, but I thought I would share it with you because there are some fun things in there. And the prices on these, it's great. So I went ahead and opened it so I could look up prices for you without fumbling for a bunch of, um, trying to be quieter about it. So let's get started. Okay, the first item is a 50-piece bag of gold hollow spacer beads that are, I believe they're 6 millimeter. Got an earring back in there, but these are really nice, and they were 71 cents for 50 pieces. Okay, so those are fun. All right, the next thing I have is a set of 20 crystals, and these were $1.34. These are beautiful. They have, oh my gosh, they're almost like that disco faceting. I don't know if you guys know what that is, but there are a lot of facets on these beads. Oops, very, very pretty. Oh, you know what? These are going to be good with the bargain bead box that we just got. Those will be pretty. Okay, we have bead caps. This is supposed to be 200 pieces. Look at that. Those are so pretty. Beautiful bead caps. Oh, I don't want to do that. And these were 77 cents. Now they're not thick like Tibetan style bead caps, but they're fine. There's nothing wrong with them. Okay, we have some more. These are just those little open flower spacer beads. These are thin, but again, they still look pretty. And this bag of 200 was 89 cents. Okay. Then we have some in silver. These are the Tibetan style, and I think there's 200 of these as well. And these were $1.43, but they are considerably more substantial than the ones that we got in gold. That's why they're more expensive. They're pretty. And then we have another bag of the Tibetan style bead caps that are just a different size and shape, and they were the same price, $1.43 for 200 pieces of the little 6-petal flower spacer beads. I mean, bead caps, excuse me. So great prices on those. Okay, then we have uh, 2 bags of glass pearls that have 100 pieces in them, and they were 98 cents per bag. I got them in pink and white, and they're actually not bad quality at all. These are 4 millimeter. There's the pink, and there's the white. They're the same. Okay. Then we have this pendant, a little butterfly pendant was 98 cents. When I buy these, y'all, I buy them for the pendant more than the chain, but this one did happen to come on a chain, but I won't be using the chain for this. Okay, let's see. Oh, look at that. It's got a little crystal right in the middle. I will say this is very thin. It bends. This is the first thing I've gotten from them that was kind of cheap looking. It's really pretty, but it is thin. It will bend. So just FYI, maybe not as great a value as some of the other stuff. But for 98 cents, it's not bad. Okay, this necklace was $1.34. But look at this thing. Now this is substantial. Okay, I don't know if you can see the thickness or not, but that won't bend. And then it came as a necklace with these curved beads, and I love them. And these spacer beads, this I'll be taking apart and using it a different way. But how pretty is that? and it's pretty substantial. You can see in the palm of my hand what size it is. So I'm happy with that. Oh, I guess it wasn't in a bag. Okay, and then this is a strand of white spinel. Now it looks just like crystal, but this is gemstone. And these are tiny little, like, oh, let's see how big they are. 2.5 by just under 3. But look at the sparkle on that. I mean, it's really pretty. And again, it'll go pretty with that bargain bead box that we just got. 48 cents for a strand of gemstone. It's just crazy to me. Okay, and then I ordered these drops. I thought they were going to be bigger. There's 10 of them, and they were $1.25, but I like them. They're just clear crystals, but they're really pretty. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them yet, but I will use them. I like them a lot, even though they are a lot smaller than I thought. Okay. I bought this chain um, just because I thought it was really pretty. Not sure what I'm going to do with it. It looks like foxtail almost. Really pretty. I'll use it to finish something, finish a necklace off or something. I'll cut it and use it some way. But I just thought it was such a pretty chain. And then I got this necklace, which of course I just got it for the pendant. This was $1.28. But look at this little dragonfly. This is kind of messed up. This doesn't fit. It's not on right. But that's okay because I'm going to take it off anyway. But he's cute. I don't do a lot with red, but this is a pretty red. Pretty ribbon. So there's that. And then I got another butterfly pendant. This one was $1.18. It actually came as a keychain, but that's not what we're going to do with it. He's like 3D, and you can put a stone here. There's a place to put a stone, so we'll be doing that. But he's like a pewter finish, really pretty. Definitely worth $1. Okay, and then I got some crystals. These were both 2 crystals for 68 cents. These are like a star shape. The hole is at the top of one of the points right there. They're pretty. They kind of have a little bit of yellow. They flash yellow. So those are pretty. And then we have shells. These are in the shape of a seashell. Very pretty. That blue and purple. So pretty. Okay, and then I got 3 different colors of jump rings. There are 1,000 in each package, and they're oval shaped, which y'all know I love oval shaped jump rings. So I got it in gold. I got it in what they called ancient silver, but it's antique silver, and then in the bright silver. So 1,000 of each of those. And then last but not, no, there's 2 more. Okay, these are 1,600 flat back crystals for $1.43. Now, and they're in, we got 1, 2, 3, 4 different sizes here. These are like a millimeter. These are 1.5. These 2 are 2, and this one is 2.5. So these, what I do with these is I take an eye pin and I glue them on the head of the eye pin, not eye pin, head pin, to make a decorative pin. I'm trying to find a bead to put it on to show you. Well, this will do. It's just a silver bead, but it just adds a sparkle to the head pin. So that's what I've ordered those for. And then last is a set of 30 tassels, silk tassels, and they were $1.47. Now I will tell you, these I am a little disappointed because they're pretty skimpy. They're not very big at all. But what we could do if we have matching colors, we do in some. I don't see another, oh, there it is. We could take both of them and wire wrap them together to create a little bit more substantial tassel. So that's probably what I'll do with these. But they have a nice feel. They're nice and soft and wiggly. So I'm okay with it. I mean, for $1.30, $1.47, I couldn't make them for that, y'all. And we got lots of colors here, as you can see. Ooh, this one has, oh look, one of them's cut. Oh, glad I'm going to do something else with them then. But you could take these and put 3 of them together, and what you could do is just wire wrap this real tight and pull it up into a cone, and they'd be real pretty. Oh, that one is a little bit different. It's not quite the same color. But that's what we'll do with those. So we got all of those colors. Looks like we just got one of this. 2 of these green. Looks like we just got one of each of, those are not the same color. We did get 2 of the white. Those are beautiful, but man, they'll get dirty fast. Shoot, I wish we had 2 of all the colors, but when you order something mixed, you don't know what you're going to get. But I still believe, and I'll check it out before we do a tutorial, but I believe I can wire wrap those together and pull them up into a cone and make a really nice tassel. So that'll be fun. Pink. Got some blue and some more green. Those match. So we got 2 of those. We did not get 2 of this light blue. We did not get 2 gold. We did not get 2 green like that. We got 2 pinks in this shade. These are all just singles here. So I'm not sure what we'll do with those. I might use them for some kind of home decor. It'd be pretty on a lamp pole or something like that. So, all right, guys. Well, that's everything that I got from Temu. And we have some really good pricing here. I really am excited about these. So, okay, guys. Hope you have a great day. And I will be back with a tutorial soon. Bye-bye.